One of the biggest typhoons ever to strike Japan has made landfall on the southern island of Kyushu. Typhoon nanmadol has brought winds of at least 180 km/h, and some areas could see 500 mm of rainfall over Sunday and Monday. At least 4 million people have been told to evacuate their homes. The typhoon made landfall near the city of Kagoshima, on the southern tip of Kyushu, on Sunday morning. Japan's meteorological agency said nanmadol would bring torrential rain, storm surges along the coast, and winds so powerful there was a risk that homes could collapse. An official in the city of Izumi said conditions on Sunday afternoon were deteriorating rapidly.